What's up, y'all? Pretty excited today. I ordered a new reel off Amazon. We're gonna break into it right now. All right, what I ordered is a Kast King Royale Legend Elite. And I ordered it in the 8:1, I believe it is, gear ratio. The fastest gear ratio should be a red reel. There it is. All right, so I'll let you see the box it comes in, well packed. So the reason I ordered this reel is because I have a Kast King 5:3:1 gear ratio reel that I bought from them a while back. Now I'm not even sure that they make it anymore. I believe it was called a White Max, and I've had that reel for years, and that thing is one of the smoothest reels I have. And I don't mess around with just any reel. Usually if they're not real good, I get rid of them pretty quick. Some of the reels in my boat are, you know, $150 to $200, $250 reels. So normally I fish with pretty good stuff, but that Kast King White Max has managed to stay in my boat for years because it is such a smooth casting reel. It casts light lures really well. It's just really smooth. That's the only Kast King reel I've tried. And I've been looking at these right here, Royale Legend Elite. You can see it right there. And I've just been eyeing these reels. One reason is because they come in several gear ratios. And that's real important to me because I like to have, you know, different speed reels for different applications. And so this is one of the fastest reels they make. So that's why I wanted to get this one and try it out, because the one I have is one of the slow gear ratios. You can see there the brakes on the side. That's kind of cool. I kind of wonder if that'll collect dust and stuff, but we'll see. Now, just, you know, just taking it out of the box, it feels good. Like, it's a small, low profile reel. Feels solid built. So we'll try it out and see. I'm not going to make any kind of reviews on it. I hate when guys do that. They review a reel they just pull out of the box. I don't do that. I will review that Kast King reel one of these days though. Okay, so in the box it comes with these little stickers so you can put down what line you're fishing on there. I probably won't ever use those. Some kind of Kast King loyalty program. I don't know about that, but I'll find out. How to open and close it. That's good. Little Kast King sticker if you want that. It's got a booklet, pretty good sized booklet here. It tells you how to oil it, how to open it, how to clean it, all of that. And then it's also got another booklet in here that shows you all the parts. So it comes with a lot more than a lot of the reels I've bought. The one problem I've run into with Kast King is their customer service. And I'll tell you what, I like that reel I had so much that several years ago, I tried to call Kast King and I was gonna change all my gear over to them. I wanted to get rods, I wanted to get reels, I wanted to get everything from them. And this reel right here was one of the ones I was looking at back then, and that's been two and a half years ago. And I couldn't get anybody on the phone. I couldn't get anybody to call me back. I left message after message after message. I tweeted them, I emailed them, I did everything I know to do, and no luck getting through to them. I even told them I was wanting to change every piece of gear in my boat over to them. I mean, it would have been $1,000, but apparently their customer service is lacking. So if any of y'all have had a different situation with their customer service, I'd love to hear about it. You can drop it in the comments. I just wanted you to see what I'm going to be playing with in some of my upcoming videos. We'll see how it goes, and I will review it as soon as I've used it for a while. And until next time, go fish.